Hey, did you know that machines can learn? Kind of like how you learn new things? Not from teachers or textbooks, but from data. Today on AI Unboxed, let's find out how machine learning actually works. And don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. Machine learning is how we teach computers to learn from examples, not rules. Let's say we want a machine to tell the difference between an apple and a banana. Instead of giving it a rule like, if it's yellow and long, it's a banana, we show it hundreds of pictures of apples and bananas. The machine looks at them, finds patterns, and figures it out for itself. It's like learning by looking, not by memorizing. At first, the machine makes lots of mistakes. Is this a banana? Nope, that's a red apple. But every time it gets something wrong, it learns. This is called training. We give the machine something called a training data set. It's like homework for the robot brain. The more good examples it sees, the better it gets. Kind of like practicing basketball or spelling. The more you do it, the smarter you become. So, inside the machine is a model, kind of like a really smart calculator. It looks at the pictures and, tries to guess. Is this a cat or a dog? Each time it makes a guess, it checks if it got it right. If it's wrong, it tweaks its settings just a tiny bit. Then it gives it another shot. These settings are called weights. And over thousands of guesses, it keeps fine-tuning itself until, ta-da! It can tell the difference almost every single time. That's machine learning. Not magic, just math. A lot of math. There are three main ways machines learn. First, there's supervised learning, which is kinda like having a teacher. You show it questions and the right answers. Then there's unsupervised learning. No answers given. The machine just finds patterns all by itself, like grouping toys by shape or color. And finally, reinforcement learning. Think of it like playing a video game. The machine gets points when it does well and learns from trial and error. We'll unbox each of those in future episodes. So, where do we actually see machine learning? Honestly, everywhere. Like when YouTube recommends a video, or when your camera says smile, or when Google Maps finds you a faster route. Even when those annoying spam emails get blocked. Machine learning is basically the brain behind a ton of the smart tools you use every single day. So, the next time your playlist just gets it right, or your phone totally knows what you're about to type, remember, it's not magic, it's machine learning. And now, you know how it works. Like this video? Hit that like button and subscribe to AI Unboxed for more brainy fun.